Dang. Hold up. Gotta get a quick little tour. It's another S650, guys, but unfortunately it's not mine. Check it out. Everybody's getting one except for me. Has to be a sign. Has to be a sign. Shit. Alright guys, so this is the second time that we're in an S650. Oh my god, look at it. That's the biggest takeaway for me on this, like these new gens, is that the dashboard, the gauges, it just feels more premium than the other ones. I mean, you guys already, I've given you a little preview of the S650 before with Sergio's, but just check it out. We're gonna go on some drive-bys. I think what has some exhaust, it already has an exhaust, right? I think you said?
It has active exhaust.
So it's stock exhaust, but it's active.
That's normal. That's quiet.
Oh, you can hear the difference.
Normal.
Oh yeah.
Look when I downshift.
Even the dog was like, shit. Yeah, guys, pretty much gonna be just a POV drive with the new Mustang. We gotta go pick up his license plate, so wanted to bring you guys along. So just enjoy the road and the sounds for right now. Let me drive so I can mess up your trans.
You're gonna blow that tranny?
So I can blow your tranny. In the most non-homo way. Or very homo way. I don't know. Alright guys, check this out. Zero drone. And check it out, once we put it into like the sport or truck mode. Thing's amazing, man. I hate this because I get super tempted, but we gotta wait, guys. We're playing the long, smart, long game right now.
What are you trying to say? I'm not smart?
No, I'm not saying I'm not smart. I'm just saying that I don't know. I'm not saying that I'm not saying you're dumb. I'm not saying you're not smart. I'm just saying for me, I need to wait a little bit more. Dude, the wheels. Dodge Charger. Oh shit, guys. Alright, we're gonna look him up. Marcos _ 5.0. We're gonna have to look him up. He downshifted, this guy downshifted, but there's no room, guys. I don't know. I think he's probably modded. Probably modded. But I wonder if he's modded, would like the 2024 keep up with a, like stock keep up with a aftermarket modded 20, was it S550? Well, I know he has an exhaust, but I don't know. Lowered exhaust from what we can see. Decals, extra horsepower. Extra horsepower. That'd be pretty cool to see if a stock S650 can keep up with a modded S550. Or there's a huge difference. Wasn't the horsepower the same or no? No. Oh, the ambulance got in the way. No, there's a car over there too. Oh, it's a truck. Dang it. Oh, is it a cop? Nah, that's not a cop. No. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, we wanted to have some fun, but traffic wasn't allowing us. Burnout. Yeah. It was a quick, unexpected video. My friend Efrain just sent me a message like, hey, come out, got a surprise. And he got an S650. That is his dream car and his dream color. All right, he likes to base it off of Killer Bee. There was his hockey team back then that he was a big fan, so he loves the yellow and black combo. And he used to have a car back then. He named it Wasp, which was an S550 when it first came out as well. So it's pretty cool to see him, you know, moving up in life. And hopefully we'll be bringing at least an S550 onto this channel soon. At least in 18 plus is what I'm shooting for, but time will tell later on, God willing, guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy the S650 content, and hopefully I already talked to him. We're gonna be bringing more S650 content as well. He said anytime he's gonna do something in the car, he'll let me know and we'll bring it to the channel. That's gonna wrap it up. I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.